Renee and Miss Katie. Come go with us to the Ozarks for a weekend road trip. Y'all come along. We've never been there, have you? Looking for adventure. Apparently we have found it because there was a grain truck overturned back on the county road, and I don't know, I'm just following the people. Took me to some dirt road, which I've seen a lot of here, and the dirt road's half washed out. Oh my word, following the people.
Hi guys, welcome back to Miss Katie's channel. This is Rick Foreman. I'm Arkansas Prepper, and she has came to Arkansas to visit, and we're having a little get together today, and I want to thank you all for allowing me to be on here. And little Miss Homemaker, she's over there climbing on the jungle gyms in her skirt. That's what gets me. She climbing things in that skirt. Okay, yeah. I have a channel on YouTube. It's called Arkansas Prepper. I've been doing it now for about 7 years. You might find something on there that you enjoy. I've got everything from firearms to how to can potatoes, raising peanuts. I've got some stuff that I've made where I've made alcohol stoves. I've got a lot of videos, probably 400 something videos on there. I've got most of them in playlist. Right now we're building a tiny home. Somewhat of a tiny home. It's 640 square feet, which is tiny for us, but we've been in a fifth wheel RV for 3 years now, traveling around the country. So we're going to be, it's like twice the size of the RV. And if you get a chance, go there. You'll see some videos on the playlist and everything. We've only been on the property now for 8 months. We're just now getting the power hooked up. I've worked on the inside of the tiny house, and maybe you'll enjoy those. And I sure want to thank you guys for this opportunity. Guys, I don't think you can see it because of the wide angle on this, but that is a bald eagle right there, an adult male. I'm sure.
It's hard to see it. Good
yeah,
eye, Miss Vicky.
Yeah, it is. Good eyes.
Wow.
I just assumed it was those buzzards because we always got buzzards. But they come through this time of year because
Thank you, Miss Lori, for all of this cooking and this work.
Oh, you're welcome. I love y'all so much.
It's going to be delicious. Well, we've enjoyed meeting you.
I'm so glad y'all are here.
Oh, we are too. We are too. In the Ozarks, it's just beautiful.
Yes,
Your
we
home's
love
beautiful.
it here. We do. We
This
love
park
it
is
here.
beautiful.
Arkansas is known for a lot of beautiful places. A lot of pretty. You know, especially during the fall, they have a route And you can find it on Google. I'm so glad it's pretty today.
Oh, it is
Been
nice,
right
and the
now.
weather's great.
Yes, it is.
Weather's great.
I'm so glad.
So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Something else that's beautiful is, look here. What we got? What
I
time?
want you to look at this pie, Miss Vicki. We made the pie crust earlier in the morning, and when we got back from flea marketing,
Oh.
we had to make pies about 10 o'clock last night.
Uh-huh.
But I said, you roll the crust out, and I'll get the fillings ready.
Right.
So she's over there, and she's, got my pie crust in the pans and everything. And I look over there, and she's like cutting little leaves out, putting our initials on top of the apple pie. Oh, that
Y'all
woman,
had fun,
I'm
didn't
telling
you?
you.
Y'all had fun.
Yeah.
Well, I hate to eat your initials, but I think they're fixing it.
There's apple, there's buttermilk, and there's chocolate pie.
Okay, apple, buttermilk, and chocolate. My goodness. Mr. Patient would eat half that chocolate if he was here. So.
I'm Vicki from Vickie's Country Home on YouTube, and I have a channel that I cook, I live off grid in northern Nevada. I make sourdough breads, garden, laugh a lot. I'm not sure what else. So come on over and see me.
Hi. I'm Lori, Miss Lori from Whippoorwill Holler, and I watch her videos. I do about the same. I'm a homesteader, so I do all that. Cook, can, you name it, that's what we do over here. And you never know what we're going to do from day to day.
No,
It's always fun, so y'all come by and see us. Whippoorwill Holler. And this is
Who are you?
We don't know.
We
who
just
this girl
adopted
is.
her.
She's a paddle boat captain.
Yes,
Yes,
she is.
yes.
Can you tell about that? Tell about that today. What is a paddle boat?
It's a boat that it's like, it has like bike pedals on it and you have to pedal.
And it's got a steering wheel that does like this.
And
She done a really good job.
if you push it frontwards, you go left. If you push it backwards, you go right. In the middle, you go straight.
You had a blast. Tell me all about your favorite thing about this meetup.
I think spending time with them was probably my favorite, other than the boat.
Other than the boat.
Do it again. Can you fall
Miss
again?
Laurie and Miss Vicky.
Time.
Miss Vicky and Miss Laurie.
Well, they won't understand it on my.
Wait a minute, I don't want my stain to show again.
Yeah, I'm not going to talk because, the whole.
No.
Because I've got foot, anyway. See, Adele's right.
Yeah, it's not going to work. You're going to do it.
Yeah.
Now, what are we doing?
We're going to tell her who we are, what our channel is, and what we do. Right?
What do we do?
On your channel.
What do you do?
What do we do? Okay, go
We
ahead.
laugh a lot.
I'm going after you.